guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the TMax here, and I am in Costa Rica with my buddy Andy. You guys may remember him from the videos that we did back when I was living in Tampa. He's in a couple of those, and we had a great time, and we decided to come to Costa Rica and travel, but neither of us really made plans, so what better way to discover a new place, a new city, than to do the free walking tour. So, you ready to do that?
Let's do it.
Fun fact, this theater right here is actually where the catchphrase of this country, Pura Vida, comes from. It was from a Mexican movie when cinema first came out. Everybody came here and loved the movie so much. Now they use this expression, Pura Vida. Woo! So I won this on the walking tour for being the biggest nerd and answering all the questions, so yay me.
So we just finished our tour of downtown San Jose with Iso, and she was awesome. It was like a 3.5 hour tour, so it was super informative. We covered all the hot spots. Tim put the rest of us to shame because she kept asking trivia questions, and Tim got more points than I think the rest of us combined. So way to ruin the curve for us, Tim. But it was super cool. I would totally recommend this tour. Iso was great giving us recommendations. We learned about the history, the politics, the food, the culture. So it was a really nice overview of the city. Okay, so I got the black bean soup with some rice here. It looks delicious. I think we got some cilantro in here. ¿Qué quiere decir bon appetit?
Buen provecho.
Buen provecho.
And I got the chicken soup, but this lady right here, she got empanada, so she got the most local food. Yeah. I think we're all eating pretty local here. Buen provecho, like Andy said.
Really good.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Do I
Like
have
cinnamon? Yeah, try. It's good, eh? Oh, sorry. I love it.
Oh, okay.
Cinnamon?
Yeah, it's more cinnamon than what I think.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's delicious. It's like cinnamon mixed with the speculoos, and I'm even getting like some licorice flavor. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, my turn to try. Oh yeah, Andy's right. I do taste the hints of anise.
Yeah.
And Chloe mentioned it kind of tastes like speculoos in Belgium. It tastes like all of those things. It's pretty good.
All right, very big stick. Vamos listos.
Guess we're not getting pesticide-free coffee, huh?
Hiking in this coffee plantation. Fun fact about Costa Rica, the island off of Costa Rica is where Jurassic Park was filmed. Or not filmed, but where it was built.
Okay, so I think I'm the only one sweating in my group. I don't know, they're all impervious to the heat, but I love it. The weather's nice, way better than Quito, which beautiful city, but the weather there is not as nice as it is here.
All right, so we are on what I think is called the Hand of God at the end of this walking trail. It's about 30 minutes from San Jose, I think in a town called Santa Ana. And yeah, this is the best view of the whole hike. This view is so worth the hike. And they gave us these cool big sticks to navigate the trail with. maybe the scenery wasn't as amazing as I was thinking it was. We were essentially hiking through a coffee plantation the whole time, which was cool, but maybe a little monotonous. But this, like I said, this view is still worth it. Pura Vida.
Pura Vida.
Let's see.
Oh, that's spicy.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's chunky. It's good. It's good. It's a bit spicy, but it's good. It's really good.
Andy can handle it.
Oh, I can handle it. Come here. Muy bien. Yeah, that's good. It's got
Oh, my face.
It's got a little bit of a kick, but it's good.
The money is so colorful, right? We were told that we have to try Churchill ice cream. It's a local Churchill kiss. This Churchill flavor here is more typical. This Churchill flavor is very typical here in Costa Rica, and it's oh my gosh, condensed milk with milk and it's condensed milk with powdered milk and a little bit of a red fruit. So she says like strawberry or raspberry flavored, and it's well known here. So let's try it. Oh yeah, it's very much pink vanilla.
Tim and I are here at the foot of the volcano Arenal, or as we've been calling it, Mordor. You know, it's got the smoke coming out. It looks a little dangerous. We think it's extinct. We're not 100% sure. I guess there was an eruption in 1992. So hopefully it won't erupt today. But yeah, we're gonna go on a hike, and I'm excited. I mean, I've never climbed a volcano before, so are you ready, Tim? Let's do it. Woo!
Oh, sorry.
All right, Tim, come on. Hurry up, let's go. Wait, let's do it again. Hey, Tim, come up here. Let's check this out. So we got a left or right situation. Let's see, Sendero Cibo is 3 kilometers. I don't know, which way do you think we should go? That's the coolest lizard I've ever seen. He had a blue tail. He was. We don't have those in Georgia.
All right, so we made it to the bottom of the volcano, but with this just amazing view. Got the lake behind us, also quite beautiful. Andy, how have you enjoyed the trip?
I mean, it's been amazing. The volcano looks super ominous and foreboding, but it's beautiful here. It's so quiet and peaceful, and that lake is gorgeous. Yeah, it feels awesome to be out here.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like from above.
Arbol Ciba Kapokri, Altura height 30 meters, and it's 400 years. Wow. So we see some bats right up through there. See them flapping? That thing's got a zebra head. It's crazy. I've never seen anything like that. Oh God! Okay, sorry, I didn't mean to scare him.
No, I got scared.
All right. Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Oh,
You got it.
You got it.
Right, you got some hot springs?
yeah.
Get in.
Let's do it.
All right, we're in it. Okay, let's. All right, yeah, those are hot. I was a little worried it wouldn't be hot, but it is. About to take the plunge. All right, okay, hot springs. I'm feeling you. All right, it's not like quite hot tub temperature, but it's very comfortable. So we just finished our trip to the hot springs. It was great. The rapids were pretty intense in certain pockets. Some were more calm. The thing that kind of blew my mind was that it's pretty dangerous out there. You could definitely slip and like crack your head open or cut your foot. People didn't seem very alarmed by it, but there was a lot of, near accidents, I think it's safe to say. But we were unscathed. We did the hot springs, we did the volcano. It's been an awesome day.
Later. We're here in Costa Rica, in Palacio Arenal near the volcano, doing a great workout, and we're all ready for some Sally. You guys ready for some Sally? Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, I love it. Yeah. Oh yeah. We even got the workout version. Oh, this is so much fun.
20 minutes later.
So we're here in La Fortuna at a soda Cinco Tejas, and despite the name, they don't have soda, or if you're from the South, Coke or pop or whatever you call it. It's just fast food. That's the name for what they call their fast food places, where you can probably get burgers and empanadas and whatnot. So yeah, they're kind of ubiquitous. You see sodas everywhere. Chases my blues away. What does it do, Tim?
Chase my woos away.
And I'll be okay. Yeah, well, I'm not big on social crazy thing. I slip on down to the oasis, so I've got friends.
Where are they at?
In low places. Man, it kind of just stopped raining, but it was raining hard for like an hour, and but this is really, we've been here almost a week, and this is the first time it's rained, so you're bound to get some rain in the rainforest. But yeah, we just got it. It kind of rained all night too, but looks like it maybe stopped for now. So we're here at this magnificent waterfall. I mean, it's breathtaking, it's beautiful, and the crazy thing is, like, we're like 2 steps from where we like paid to get in. It's just like immediately in your face as soon as you get here. But the cool thing is you can go down and hike down to it and like swim in it. So we're about to go do that, but it's awesome because like you can see it immediately, and it's pretty freaking cool. So the crazy thing about this waterfall is it kind of feels like the force of the water is so great that like my legs are trembling. Like my legs feel like I've just been to leg day at the gym for like 2 days in a row, and that they're jiggling. That's what it feels like.
So refreshing.
So, I mean, this is by far the best waterfall I've ever seen. Tim, what do you think?
I had the beautiful opportunity to get in this waterfall, and it is amazing. Probably the biggest waterfall I've ever swam under. Definitely one of the most beautiful ones I've ever seen. It's not sunny, it's not hot, and the water's really cold, but I still feel good. Like, it's refreshing. Obviously, a lot of people out here having fun. The rocks are super slippery at the bottom, so be careful when you come. Unfortunately, there's no drone signs like everywhere, and there's lifeguards, so we'll just have to appreciate it here from the bottom.
It's the end of our Costa Rica experience. It was awesome from start to finish. It really lit a fire under me to do some more traveling and hosteling and backpacking. We did the volcano, we did the hot springs, we did the waterfall, we did San Jose. We packed a lot into this week, and you're gonna see some awesome footage that Tim took, some Michael Bay 360-degree shots, and it was fun to take over Tim's channel for a week. So thanks, Tim, for letting me do it. If you like this content, subscribe for more TMax, and maybe Andy will make a guest appearance down the road.